Hello everybody, my name is Mohammad Mujahidul Islam. I have created a database project named Library Management System using MySQL as database language, PHP as backend language, and HTML CSS as the front-end language. If I want to enter my project, I need to type localhost. As I'm using Jam, to enter Jam server, I need to type localhost. As I kept my project files into the project folder, I need to enter localhost first and project 1. This is my index page. From that page, I will enter the login page. This is the login form. I will type email and password to log in as a student first. Then I will log in as librarian. So I have entered my email address and password. Now I will log in. So this is the home page for a student. It has also a dashboard. Choose total books in the library and the borrowed books by me as a student. If I go to borrowing history, I can see which book is borrowed. I can see this book is borrowed. Now back to the home. Now I will go to the borrow book. There are 3 books. There can be many books. If there are many books, this page will show us 10. Then the other in next pages. I can request book from that page by clicking on request. It shows that book successfully requested for borrowing. I can also search by ISBN. Let me copy this ISBN and paste here. Search. I can search a book by ISBN and request the book. It will book successfully requested for borrowing. Now back to home. I have shown all the functionalities for a user who is a student. Now I will log out. Now I will log in as a librarian. I will select the role as librarian, then login. This is the home page for librarian. There is also a dashboard for librarian which shows total books in the library, issued books, that means borrowed by some student, categories of books, and the total students who are registered. Now, if I want to add book, I will enter a 13-digit ISBN, title, author, the publisher, description, quantity of books, categories, so upload a cover image of the book. I have filled up all the requirements to register book. Now I will add this book. It says book successfully added. I can go to view book. It shows that the book I added is showing here. If I want to update the data of a book, I can update here. Let's say I want to update the description. Save changes. I've updated this change. Now go back. It shows the updated description. If I want to remove this book, I can remove easily. There is a message for confirmation. Okay. So it shows that the book is gone from the list. Now I will go to the home and I will go to update books. It is the same page of view books when we added a book. Then we will go to manage categories. Here is option for adding new category and also updating the existing category. I will add a new category. Go to edit. This is the new category. I can also change the category name. And I can update here. It shows that the category name updated. If I want to remove this category name, I can remove easily. As a message for confirmation, I will click OK. It shows that the category has been removed. So back to home. Now I will go to issued books. These two requested books are requested by me when I logged in as student. I requested these two books. These books was borrowed. If this book is returned, I can mark it as returned and it will go away from this list. If I issue these books, it says the status changes to borrowed. For to issue this book, it says the status of the book is changed. I can, if the books are returned, I can do the same to this also. So back to dashboard. So I have shown all the functionalities for librarian. Now we log out. I can sign up as a student. Sign up. I have signed up as a student. Now we log in as a student. So I have successfully logged in as a student. Now I will show you if I can sign up as a librarian. Now I will log in. It shows that invalid email. I have tried to log in, but I can log in because the password is changed because of hashing. You can see, hello, I entered a password, but it is now here. It has changed. Now the admin need to change this password. See admin. So I have shown all the functionalities of my project. Thank you for watching.